29.
28.
27.
26.
25.
24.
23.
22.
21. 20.
19.
18.
17.
16.
15.
14.
13.
12.
11. 10.
9.
8.
7. 6.
5.
4.
3.
2.
1.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave
Hella cut a double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it, then you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing. I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Rich nigga, that by my daddy, your new petty, got a model, got a think he got.
Strikes in the mix.
Day in the life, let's see if you really trap. Turn off the auto-tune, let's hear how you really rap. Ha ha, send a location, can't burn up boy if you're bad, let's see. Your dad left home from young and you ain't done for your mum, oh man. How you relying on man like gal, you're mad, you must have mad. You ain't never sat in a trap with a pack, hear the doorbell ring and your heartbeat lag. Can't keep track, been in the trap, it's hard, I can't keep up. Selling them party drugs, I'm the one that got the party ton.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, it 2+.
Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need her. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me. No baby, your collection won't stand for it. It's by the rules. I was raised by the rules.
Loyalty and blood, anything for love, everything for us. Doing everything ain't been so much. Now my favorite side a couple fingers, the clutch. Last second with a rush. I'm the type to talk to the stars.
Weezy out of here.
Dash a digi, this busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a cousin. Life is amazing, it is what it is. I tell her look up, going in tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got him a baby. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like I trusted my never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took with.
Ay, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna come if I take it this far. She gon' do the race, just not this far. Love is a game you used to cheer for. When I was down.
Let's go. Yeah. Those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Leave me out of comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Trying to keep up, this not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than I'm, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. tell you twice. I'm a thief in the night. I did some wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real discreet, like a thief in the night. If I call you babe, you babe for the day, or babe for the night. You not my wife.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool, I'm like, yeah, that's true. Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, this lethal, dog. Who you see? What? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna turn. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna turn. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy.
Yeah.
Weezy out.
Back home.
Feel about pineapple on pizza?
I've never had it. I wouldn't know. But it does sound kind of gross because like it's a fruit, and like pizza's a savory thing. So no, I think it's no.
How do you feel about putting pineapple on pizza?
100%. You have to do it. If you don't, you're missing out.
I really don't mind it, but I would never get it. And some people have said it's a sin. I don't know about that. It's all good.
Okay. How do you feel about pineapple on pizza?
I love it.
You're disgusting. No, you're disgusting.
I think it's good.
You're both disgusting. It's awful.
2 out of 3.
No.
3.
How do you feel about pineapple on pizza?
You know, I never order pineapple on pizza, but when I go to somebody else's house and they order it, I like it. But I don't like it well enough, I guess, to order it myself. But it's a change of pace, so I do like it.
Okay, cool.
So you see a boat full of people, but there's not a single person in it. How is this possible? So you see a boat full of people, but there's not a single person in it. How is this possible?
What? Oh, because they're all like dating? They're not single?
Yeah. Alright. So you see a boat full of people, but there's not a single person in it. How is this possible?
Wait, you see a boat full of
people, but there's not a single person in it. How is this possible?
Full of people? Yo,
yeah.
What?
Yeah.
A boat full of people, but there's no one in it. They're just invisible. They're like me and Zach. Like, you just can't see.
So you see a boat full of people, but there's not a single person in it. How is this possible?
Everyone jumped off.
Yes. You spot a boat full of people, but there isn't a single person on it. How is this possible?
Boat full of people.
Not a single person on it.
Boat full of people. This is so awkward. Let's see. Can I have a hint?
It has something to do with their relationships.
A boat full of
people, but there isn't a single person on
Oh, they're all married or
Our first one. So you spot a boat full of people, but there isn't a single person on it. How is this possible?
Yeah, they're all married, I heard you.
You spot a boat full of people, but there isn't a single person on it. How is this possible?
Oh, because it's a boat full of people, so there's not a single person on it. Because there's not one person.
There's more than one person.
That's actually a good answer, but the answer is they're all married.
Oh.
All right. You spot a boatload full of people, but there isn't a single person on board. How is this possible?
Do it again.
You spot a boat full of people, but not a single person is on board. How is this possible?
Boy, I don't know. It's too early for this.
All right. If you were a muffin, what muffin would you be and why?
Well, I feel like I did this one already. I think I said blueberry.
Blueberry.
Just classic, right? Everybody tries to get fancy and cute with this. Let's just give the people what they want. They want blueberries.
Everybody wants a blueberry.
Everybody wants a blueberry with a little bit of that sugary crumble on top.
Exactly.
Just get you all wired up.
Thank you. If you could be any muffin, what muffin would you be and why?
I'm gonna say blueberry.
Why?
And it's a tasty muffin.
Okay, thank you. If you were a muffin, what muffin would you be and why?
I would be a plain muffin because I don't like fruit, pretty much.
Okay.
I'd be a chocolate chip muffin because those are boss. Yeah.
Nice.